In previous lecture, we discussed about the first movement and the centroid of the area. And in this lecture, we discussed the second movement of the area. Just as we know, have discussing the first movement of area, its relation problem with the mechanics. We will now describe the second movement and the product of area in the plane. In this lecture, we took these quantities as some mathematical quantities that have been defined and solved the sum problem involving them. The unless of the related quantities called the moment of inertia and the product of the inertia will become clear when we deal with the rotation of the rigid body. Let's take a body which is putting on the xy plane as you can see in the figure 1. Let us consider a xy plane, and the second moment of area A is defined as Ixs is summation of Iy delta A, which gives integration of A integration and having limit A y square dA. Iyy is gives summation of xy I and delta A, which gives is have integration having limit A x square dA. That is given in plane surface. We take a small area in it and multiply the perpendicular distance from the x-axis and sum of it over the entire area. That gives Ixx. Similarly, Iyy is obtained by multiplying the small area by a square of a distance perpendicular to the y-axis and adding the all contribution as shown in the figure 3. The product of area is defined as Iyy Ixy equals to summation of Ixi and yi is into delta A I, which gives integration xy dA, where x and y are the coordinates of the small area dA. Obviously, Ix and Iy are same.